Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum, Math, Grade 5, Quarter 3, Lesson 8. Topics: divide decimal numbers by two-digit whole numbers. Estimate quotients of two decimal numbers. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. 1. Divide a decimal up to two decimal places by a two-digit whole number, resulting in a terminating decimal quotient of up to 3 decimal places. 2. Estimate the quotient when dividing two decimal numbers by estimating the dividend and divisor to the nearest whole number. Day 1. Short review, Decimal Division Quiz B. Step 1, look for a partner and think of your team's name. Step 2, you should have a whiteboard marker and a mini whiteboard to write on. Write your team's name in the board. Here's the scoreboard. Step 3, you only have 30 seconds in answering each item. Raise your whiteboards after 30 seconds. 1. 25.66 divided by 8 equals 3.2075. 2. 295.8 divided by 6 equals 49.3. 3. 223.1 divided by 4 equals 55.775. 4. 2.84 divided by 5 equals 0.568. 5. 480.3 divided by 4 equals 120.075. 6. 52.74 divided by 3 equals 17.58. 7. 420.5 divided by 2 equals 210.25. 8. 38.65 divided by 4 equals 9.6625. 9. 889.4 divided by 8 equals 111.175. Step 4. Each team will be ranked with the highest score. It will be ranked as third, second, and first teams who got the highest scores. Step 1. Divide. Divide the first digit of the dividend by the divisor. Count how many divisors could fit in the first digit of the dividend. If you can't fit at least one, consider the first two digits of the dividend instead. Put the quotient above the selected digits of the dividend. Example, you can fit 3/8 in 25. Step 2. Multiply. Multiply the quotient from step 1 to the divisor. Put the product below the selected digits of the dividend. Example, 3 times 8 equals 24. Step 3. Subtract. Subtract the selected digits of the dividend by the product from step 2. Put the difference below the product. Example, 25 minus 24 equals 1. Step 4. Bring down a digit. Bring down digit from the dividend. The resulting number will be the new dividend. Then, repeat step 1, divide the new dividend by the divisor. Repeat steps 1 to 4 until you use up all the digits of the original dividend. Example, bring down 6. The new dividend is 16. Answer: 256 divided by 8 equals 32. 32 regular rooms. Unlocking content vocabulary. A. Division. The dividend is the number to be divided. The divisor is the number by which you are dividing. The quotient is the result of the division. The remainder is the quantity left over after subtraction. B. Decimal place values. C. Rounding off decimal numbers. Day 2. Explicitation Step 1. Solve the given equations on your paper. You have 10 minutes to finish. Step 2. After they solve the equations, ask the students to turn and talk for 3 minutes, then ask for answers from the class. List them down on the board. Verify which answer is correct in the next step. Step 3. Ask learners to share their answers and solutions on the board. Make sure you check their solutions. Answers. Work example step 1. Look at the following equations below. How they are different from the first 3 equations. Step 2. Look how to divide decimal numbers by whole numbers using the solution for equation 4 as an example. Dividing decimal numbers by whole numbers have same steps with dividing two whole numbers. We just need to place the decimal point in the quotient space at the start. Since the dividend already has a decimal point, just put a decimal point in the quotient space directly above the decimal point in the dividend. Once the decimal point is placed in the quotient space, proceed with the division. Step 3. Solve equations 5 and 6. Refer to step 1. To get a decimal quotient instead of remainders, you can turn and talk while answering the problem for 10 minutes. Step 4. Be ready to share your answers and solutions on the board. Answers. Lesson activity number 1. Divide whole numbers into decimal quotients. Divide the following numbers. Quotients must be expressed in decimals. Write your solutions and final answers on their corresponding spaces. 1. 81.9 divided by 63 equals 1.3. 2. 99.56 divided by 19 equals 5.24. 3. 343.1 divided by 73 equals 4.7. 4. 4.69 divided by 67 equals 0.07. 5. 54.27 divided by 81 equals 0.67. 6. 85.12 divided by 38 equals 2.24. 7. 934.99 divided by 37 equals 25.27. 8. 979.16 divided by 52 equals 18.83. Day 3. Explicitation Step 1. Look at the situation below. You are in a mall and your mother asks you to buy a certain fish. She saw on the internet that it is on sale. only 178.99 pesos per kilo. She asked you how many kilos you can bring home. You looked at your wallet and you have 1,000 pesos. What will you answer? Step 2. Answer the question in 10 seconds without using paper or calculator. Step 3. Stop answering whether you are done or not and explain your answer. Step 4. Estimation is important since there are times that you need to decide fast, just like in the given situation. Our lesson for today, which is estimating quotients of decimal numbers. Work example, step 1. Listen as your teacher discuss how to estimate the quotient of 2,000 divided by 178.99. Round off the two numbers to the nearest leading non-zero digit. The rounded off number will only have a single non-zero digit. Divide the rounded up or off numbers. 2,000 divided by 200. Note that in mentally, dividing numbers divisible by tens, hundreds, and 1,000s start by canceling the same number of leftmost zeros in dividend and divisor. 2,000 divided by 200. 20 divided by 2. Then divide. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. Step 2. Estimate the product of the following decimals. You have 5 minutes to answer. Step 3. Turn and talk for 2 minutes, then give your answers and list them down on the board. Let's verify whose answer is correct by showing the answers. Answers. Activity number 2, estimate quotients of decimals. Estimate the quotients of the following decimals. Write your solutions and final answers on their corresponding spaces. 1. 381.98 divided by 53.34. Answer, 8. 2. 199.56 divided by 8.22. Answer, 25. 3. 6,843.1 divided by 73.2. Answer, 100. 4. 3.521 divided by 1.989. Answer, 2. 5. 58.27 divided by 1.59. Answer, 30. 6. 61.199 divided by 12.877. Answer, 6. Day 4. Learners' takeaways. Step 1. Form 8 groups. Each group will receive cartolina or Manila paper and markers. Step 2. Create an infographic poster about dividing whole number and decimal numbers by whole numbers. Include a step-by-step procedure and one working example. You have 15 minutes to finish and be ready to present your work. Reflection on learning. Step 1, you will keep the same groups from learners' takeaways and each team will be paired with another team as follows: 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8. Step 2, you and your group will share your infographics with your partner team and look at each other's work. Step 3, while sharing, your group will think about and write reflections on how they divide whole and decimal numbers by whole numbers at the back of your infographics. Formative assessments. Activity number 3, dividing decimals. Division equations are in the first column. Solve the equations in the second column and estimate the quotients in the third column. Write your solutions and final answers on their corresponding spaces. 1. 431.2 divided by 98. In decimal numbers, 4.4. Estimated, 4. 2. 81.7 divided by 38. In decimal numbers, 2.15. Estimated, 2. 3. 75.24 divided by 24. In decimal, 3.135. Estimated, 4. 4. 979.16 divided by 52. In decimal, 18.83. Estimated, 20. 5. 64.197 divided by 21. Answer, in decimal, 3.057. Estimated, 3. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!